The Windows file system is the structure used by Microsoft Windows operating systems to store, organize, and manage files on storage devices like hard drives, SSDs, or USB drives. Windows primarily uses two types of file systems: FAT, which is an older and simpler file system used mainly for small drive movable storage, and NTFS, which is more advanced and used for internal hard drives and larger, more complex storage. NTFS supports features like file permissions, encryption, disk quotas, and larger files, and it is the default for modern versions of Windows. A storage device or partition is called a volume, with C or DS typically being the main drive letters. A hierarchy of folders and subfolders is used to organize files, with individual items like documents, images, or applications stored in directories. Key components of NTFS include the master file table, which is a database that stores metadata about every file, including name, size, location, and permissions. Clusters are the smallest unit of disk space that files are stored in, and NTFS supports file-level security by allowing users and groups to set permissions, specifying who can read, write, or execute files. Windows uses file names that can include up to 255 characters, with certain restrictions on symbols, and supports long file names and case-insensitive naming. Files are accessed by file paths, like C, username, documents, file.txt, and Windows uses Explorer for graphical management of files with drag-and-drop capabilities. Additional features of NTFS include support for file and folder compression to space, the ability to encrypt files with the encrypting file system, and the capability to create backups of files even if they're in use. In summary, Windows file systems like FAT and NTFS provide efficient and secure methods for storing and organizing data, with NTFS being the primary file system for most modern Windows environments due to its advanced features.